Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering Interview Series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into designing Azure Data Factory pipelines for high throughput and parallelism with Azure Data Engineering Expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. So can you walk me through how you design Azure Data Factory pipelines for high throughput and parallelism?
Well, to design ADF pipelines for high throughput and parallelism, I focus on leveraging data partitioning and configuring batch sizes appropriately. In a real-world project where we processed large volumes of transactional data, we used partitioning strategies on our source SQL databases. This allowed us to read data in parallel and reduce overall execution time.
That's interesting. How did you handle data partitioning in that project?
Actually, we used dynamic partitioning based on date ranges because our data was time series in nature. By using partitioned reads, we could efficiently manage the workload. We also adjusted the degree of parallelism based on the available resources and the size of each partition to optimize performance.
And how do you ensure that the pipeline can handle varying loads or spikes in data volume?
In my experience, configuring the pipeline with auto-scaling capabilities in Azure Data Factory is crucial. We set up monitoring and alerts using Azure Monitor to dynamically adjust the number of Data Factory integration runtime nodes. This approach helped us maintain consistent performance even during peak loads.
You mentioned using Azure Monitor. Can you explain how you set that up to support your pipelines?
Sure. So we created custom metrics and alerts to track the pipeline's performance metrics like throughput and error rates. By integrating with Azure Log Analytics, we could visualize these metrics and respond to any anomalies quickly, ensuring our pipelines ran smoothly.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers designing ADF pipelines for high throughput and parallelism comprehensively. Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Tech Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.